Welcome to Wardy's work. We had a man moaning at us that we should show our face, and we're unprofessional. We throw tools around on the bench, more me than him. But
no, you know why we don't show our faces.
She's getting to the shop in the background. Let me clear the camera. We just do this to try and help people, and it's a bit of fun. But you got dickheads on Facebook who after not Facebook, this is YouTube. You got dickheads on. You have got dickheads on Facebook. We've also got dickheads on YouTube. They tell you need to show your face. You're unprofessional. You're throwing tools about. He's never seen such a shit video. There's no need for him to watch it. Anyway, back to the video. I'm going to go off our faces now if that's okay with him. Is that okay with you? Whatever you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Back to our normal videos. Got to clean the camera. This is unprofessional, but I'm going to do it anyway. There we go. We'll shut up about the unprofessional man now. Yeah. Okay, what we've got here is we've got the fuel pump from the TD5 Discovery. The issue we had was whenever we turned the key, it was showing that we've got no fuel. The fuel gauge was sort of coming up and then dropping back down. So what we did was first test the connectors there for any resistance in ohms with the multimeter. It was showing 0 across the connectors. We don't know which connectors it was, so we tested them all. So we thought it's not working, this is not working, and the way it works is this goes up and down on here when it fills up on the float, so that goes up and down, and it changes the resistance by going up and down this band there, and then you've got your soldered on wires there, and what we've noticed is this one here, we've got a pointy stick, he's going to get a blade, professional blade,
no, professional blade,
this is not connected, so that's where our issue is coming from. So we're hoping by soldering this back on that we're going to have a fuel gauge that actually works. Well, right, I'm going to have a go at this now. We've got no flux because we're unprofessional professionals, but we have got a soldering iron. So we're going to try and heat this up and get it to stick back onto the circuit there.
Let's see whether that's got it.
Yeah.
Professional blade one.
It's lost it.
This is going to be
Oh look, and it's stuck. Is it stuck? No.
No.
No, yeah, it's stuck.
They get it hot enough.
It's closer.
It didn't heat up through to the...
Yeah, it's got to eat.
That's I've got it.
That's stuck, look. So now we're going to test the arms across the top again with the multimeter. As we move this arm up and down, it should change the resistance at the connectors at the top. Yeah. So we'll do. Okay, so now we're going to test the resistance on this professional quality multimeter. These 2 pins there are the ones you need. So once you do that, you'll see that we're showing some resistance on the multimeter. We can hold it still, and as we move this up, the resistance changes, which shows that that is now working, and as the resistance changes on this, it should change on the meter. So we'll plumb it in and we'll give it a go. Welcome back. It's getting ready to take off. That is just getting involved with priming itself now. Yeah, Dad, have you seen these wires there? I just noticed they've got some bare necessities on the wire.
Oh, good, yeah.
We already done that. They must have been taped over, look.
Yeah.
Somebody's dicked about with that before. Somebody's had a go at them before.
That's rubbed on the plate, isn't it?
You reckon?
Yeah.
Rubber dub dub. So we need to... We're going to have to tighten them up before we put that back on. But anyway, enough of that. What's happened there is yet another fix. Why would he